But,
yeah, so what you can tell me about the place? Me new to here, so tell me why most exciting thing I go on in the town. And what can you tell me to expect in Mandeville this cool day?
Cool breeze.
Just expect cool breeze.
Rain.
You get wolf parent today? Cheese and people don't want to wolf parent go fall. Me grudge you your sweater. You don't say the sweater you can't fit me, or you can't do for me. Why you living in Mandeville?
yeah, man.
See. Yeah, so I wish I know artist I want shout out on the vlog, yeah. Which one artist? Yes, you can't tell a boss no out and I don't know lack on them out, I don't know go answer. You don't listen to the teacher. Come cross nurse. Walk safely across nurse. In the town of Mandeville. Check out.
You know I want to I got money, hear that?
Yes.
We're outside, hear
Yes.
that? Subscribe to the G channel, you know.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe to the I got channel. Friend I get live in one food place, so
Yes.
first season.
So Mandeville Park. And welcome the opposite. My traveling family, welcome to another traveling vlog. And because I'm traveling, today I'm in Mandeville, Manchester. Some of my people, I'm here to show you the beauty of this place. Some of my people, oh, beautiful Manchester, aka Mandeville. A whole heap of man say Galliville, but me not follow them. The place near Manchester, so I'm gonna stop spoil up the people in place. So, we're just gonna show you the beauty that this place possesses. So, my daddy, you're from which parish you from?
Manchester.
Manchester, Clarendon.
Manchester.
Oh, Manchester, which direction? Oh, that's
Manchester.
yeah, man, me know, man, but yeah. So, what you can tell me about the place? Sir? Me new to here, so tell me why most exciting thing I go on in the town. Me can guarantee you say cool because today is cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you know the about up here there's a pool place
Yes.
and that one we can go on with.
So you're born in this area?
Yeah, poor.
Oh, you're born in Porus. Yeah. So you just enjoy the cool weather always.
Yeah.
So that means you have to go. You have one whole heap of land down where you live. You can't get piece of land for live, more a piece of free land.
Yeah,
You're not a land free. Alright, you have to go buy it.
Yeah.
Some of people. So your name is?
Powell.
Your name Powell?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah.
I'm a travel.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm here to see the beauty and the coolness that you've been enjoying for all this time. Some of people.
Alright.
Ever bless, I want to get some of the coolness today.
Yeah, alright.
The roast like a rain Jew.
Yeah.
Hey, I need a sweater.
Yeah.
You're not a sweater in the bag of calendar.
yeah.
Oh, you're not a sweater. Alright, my people. Eh?
Where I come from?
Oh, where can I come from? Some of people. See what me have to show us today. Cool, Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah, man. Caledona Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Some of people, this vlog is going to be starting at Caledona Road. And I have no expect here. I have no idea what to expect in the street today. So I just take it on a card until it comes. Some of people, stay tuned. Stay tuned as we walk through this place. Also want to intend to link up with a very interested young man who been doing some good things around the place. And ever bless one link up with the man, showcase whatever he's doing. Yeah, man. So as we walk in, I'll be walking through. Oh, you have a Peerless. So this place, this area is called Manchester Shopping Centre. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you have a Peerless. Whoa, what heap of activities are going on. Yeah, and the princess them now, Mandeville, Manchester. Awesome. See it. Yo. We're in the town. And the rain is gonna be a factor today. I can feel it. I can feel the energy that the rain just finished falling. Just hoping that we're able to give a full vlog today. Yeah, man, the beauty of this place. So we're not just take on this area, we take on the town area to the market area. So we'll be showing as much as possible today while the rain continue to, you know, test around. Yeah, we're walking through this place here. Showing you the beauty of the place, but this place has got. Pick up yourself, Daddy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's a service center. Food court. Wow. Nice. This is awesome. Mandeville, Manchester, we are at today. We're showing you all the beauty that this place has got. I am feeling the coolness, Jaja. Wish I could pass on some of the coolness to all of the other parishes that are very happy. This is nice, really nice. Yeah. So as we travel around, we'll be showing as much as possible. Yeah. So if you see somewhere, leave in the comment for me, my people, if you've known somewhere that I've shown. Hello, my princess, how you doing today? Princess, no. She not accepts that she's a princess, but she not answer. Yeah. So it come back. So we're walking through this place here. Beauty, 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 and cool. What are you doing today, my princess? I'm walking through my people. Yeah, man, all the beauty that you can offer there in Mandeville, Manchester. See? Yeah. Shoppers Fair. Whoa. Place festive. You can see the place is not all. So we also have pawn shopping this year. Hi. You want to say hi to my vlog? Ever blessed travels? Hi. So what you can tell me about Mandeville? Yeah, me girl, you know, me cool and have a sweater. You have a sweater and you have a sweater. You couldn't come and tell me so long cool. Yeah. So what you guys want to say to Ever blessed travels today? What can you tell me to expect in Mandeville this cool day?
Cool breeze.
Just expect cool breeze.
Rain.
We'll get Wolverine today? Jeez, some people don't want to Wolverine go far. Me girl, you know your sweater. You don't say the sweater you can't fit me. What you can't do for me. Why you live in Mandeville here? You live here?
Yeah.
And you live here?
No.
But now you can't give me one sweater, man, and take off some of the coolness off of me, man.
Thank you, Mr. Simon.
Jeez, Chacha. I'm just trying to have fun with you guys. And you know that. Check out Ever Blessed Travels.
Ever Blessed?
Travels.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we're not going to see how I show off the town today. Because I'm not run no joke with it.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, man. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, so them say hi to Ever Blessed Travels. I'm going to look forward in the comment section for hear them and say, hey, what's up, Ever Blessed? Yeah. So we're walking through and we're sharing the town with my people. For all the persons who not familiar with this place, Mandeville, Manchester, this vlog is for you. Yeah, man. Oh, them man got the big one. Man got them big man. Hi, big up beside the hand then, princess. You have two beside you, I mean, I have no. You can share piece with me, please. You can't big up beside you. She not answer me, she not share with people. So we walk through this place here. Nice. Mandeville, Manchester. Afternoon, princess.
Hello.
So here we are, my people. I'm showing you the KFC across the road. Pizza Hut. Whoa! I want to get missing here. I'm missing one burger. Whoa! The gas station. We can turn that way. Or we can walk that way. So we can walk that way, go into the town. I went that way town, man. This area are further up. So I'm not too sure where we're gonna be walking to. But today is a wet day, very cold one too. So it look like I wrong them come a man when we're in this side before. Yeah. Pick up yourself, G.
Yeah, man.
See. Yeah, so which one artist I want shout out on the vlog, yeah? Which one artist? You see cartel a bus out and I don't know lock on them out, I don't know go answer. You don't listen to the teacher? No, I imitate the teacher. The man them laugh when I tell the man and say if you boss a big tune what they have in there. Okay, big up yourself, G. Oh, me have a blessed travels here. Can you check out the vlog the scene? Alright. Some people know you may make a whole nice and people made. Yeah, we're just a show as we go along. Yes, my people, as I said before, we are here to show off Manchester, aka Mandeville today. Beautiful place, trust me. I want to say cool, no joke. Very cool. Very cool environment. As majority of persons would have known, that Mandeville is one of the coolest parish. Always cool. To make it worse, the rain fall. And if I bless, I take on the sweater today, and I'm gonna take it on without no fear. No joke. Some more people join me as I go. Keep the comment section busy. Comment and describe what you're seeing. Yeah, help me to analyze this place. Trust me. As we walk through the beauty. Yeah. Guinea man. Where I go on? We get them sweet? You taste one of them? You see if you give them a Manchester Mandeville sweeter than the one that we have in a Claren, in a St. Catherine. Them are going with your thing. He's a YouTuber. You want to be a part of my vlog? Big up yourself, BG. If it wasn't for my vlog, I would buy one and walk with it. But you know, I appreciate it, my brother. Give them sweet, my people. Give them time. So as everyone, I want to make everyone know that Jamaica is kind of have a vibe when it comes on to fruits. Something always in season. And when I say that without any apology. I wonder which country we have to match with. Because we always have some fruit in season. And to make it known to you guys that all those cars are for sale. So when you want to purchase a car, use our new Mandeville the place. Festive with cars. Yeah? No. Guinea sweet. but it don't come off of the seed as quick as I would like it, but it's not going with itself. Yeah, cars are for sale. A majority of them have on plates, same way. Yeah, man. So the intention is to do this walk and to end up in the market section, the busier section, the town. So I'm going to show a party that we party town and man over there. Some of this I'm just showing. Then people say then trade. That means if you have a car, you can drive in yours and drive out one of theirs. Awesome. Some people, when I say cars for sale, no joke. Lots of cars for sale. You see, cars of all different type and class. We are here inside the Mandeville. Highland Grill, drive through. This is okay. Go inside the Highland Grill and drive up a hill. Mandeville. As I said, Mandeville is very hilly. Mainland Mall. Them have Island Grill and all them things in that mall. Coming up shortly will be the hospital. Stay tuned as we continue to walk on all. I've known this area a little bit. So I want to cross, but let me cross at the narrow end. Just in case. Let me cross at this narrow end here. Alright. Wow, this church here is big. This church looks like it has 3 floors. This church here looking really interesting. And this hospital compound starts right here. And Manchester is known for stone walls, my people. Yeah, they use a lot of stone walls. Somebody decided to use this little area to plant some gungo. I don't like to see when I'm a read. Also how that water look like is the water that comes off the hospital compound, all of them stored there. But interestingly, you guys can see the size of this church here. Yeah. Caledona Road. Oh, it's a 7-day Adventist. Okay. 7-day Adventist there. Very big compound. Nice church. So it is 3 floors, it seems, from a distance. I'm not sure of it. So leave in the comment for me, my people, if Mandeville Church 7-day Adventist is a 3-floor or 2-floor. How are you doing today, my brother?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Hi, brother, how you doing? Yeah. All right, cool. Interesting. Yeah, see, I know. Not only this water doesn't just come from the hospital compound. Come off the street as well. You can see right here into that. Wonder how much water it can hold. Yeah. Oh, so it comes from the hospital and it comes from the okay. Very interesting place. That's the compound of the hospital. Mandeville Hospital. It's called I'm going inside the hospital. This is where you enter from. How you go in. And that's the emergency here right there. Come cross nurse. Walk safely across nurse.
Alright, definitely gonna take some pictures of it. Yeah.
Yeah, some people. Mandeville, Manchester. In the street.
Dig up.
The people, me just randomly, me just run into this brother and him say, well, go on with the camera there. And right away subscribe to page. So that means my people, they generally are real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, I tell you, 100% blessed lifestyle.
Yes.
You better believe.
And in the meantime, country yard style.
Countryside.
Countryside TV for the first time.
Countryside.
Yeah.
Countryside.
They reach out, just connect. And without Mandeville, without your place.
Yeah, man.
Me have some whole heap of questions to ask you. But in the meantime, I go ask the question. When I see Princess in the street, Princess, I can show you on my camera. Watch it. Look how she come out today. Whoa, Mandeville cool! I want to live down here. Yeah. You know something, you know. So G, we are more. It's what we meet up on you one time. Give one big shout out.
Yeah, man, big up to Ever Blessed Travels.
Same way.
Said it. And Countryside TV.
See it
big
there.
up on yourself. Countryside.
Yeah.
Ever Blessed. And here are for the people online. Like, subscribe, and follow. You want to see good Jamaican content. You want to see real, authentic what Jamaica is like. Yeah, man, take a visit, take a look and see what it's like.
Yes.
Have a good youth, yes, I do it. They have a real touch. Put the camera up on the man. Yeah. A young youth,
You see it? Yes.
Then you have the local general in Migle and support them.
And you're in Migle like a referee.
Yeah, man. Go on, dude.
Yes.
Y'all want to subscribe to the page, y'all visit Instagram. It's Coach Chris 876.
Yes.
Basketball coach up at NCU, formerly Manchester High. studying a bit of psychiatry right now. So
Bro,
so real shit. We're not too loud it up, but as you don't know, like, subscribe and follow. You got the man them thing, and remember, one love.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
And it is from a youngster, from a elder to a youngster.
Yeah, man.
So guess what happened now? When Countryside TV reach out, me tell my manager, say, me not hesitate. Me not give him no run. Anytime he ready, me ready to. Because guess what? One love. And we are say one love, peace and unity.
Yeah, one love. Yeah, man, I mean, man, one love, peace and unity. See that?
Yeah, so me G, peace, love and unity. And me watch your page, and me really love what you do. You try to reach out to people. I mean, not say come from your heart, you know.
From your heart.
Yeah, some of people, when you see we in the street and you see we shine with camera up in people and want to help, we want to help from our heart. And if you want to be a part of our team, if you want to be a part of my team, alright, me talk for me, you know. If you want to be a part of my team, come from your heart. Be loyal to the movement. Because when we see you give people things, you could end your yard and yummy.
Nah,
I wonder if anybody will disagree with me saying, yeah, you could end eat your food in your yard.
Consume.
A young man correct me saying consume food. You could eat the food in your yard. Just like me. You could lie down in my bed and sleep. When me shine my camera up and somebody else I want to be an assistant. So if you want to be assistant to my people that I show my camera to, assist my people with respect. And if you're not showing respect to the people that you assist on my page, I'm going to walk away.
Yeah, man.
Because I can do it than that.
That is it.
Don't tell me some actual word. I'm feeling the pain, bro.
Mandeville.
Yeah, Mandeville, Manchester.
Country lifestyle.
So you couldn't
ever blessed
your place and you couldn't tell me say Mandeville call and where one.
See that, we're looking at it all. See that? That's nice and neat. Beautiful Empress and all these things.
And in the meantime, look how we just run up with a photographer. You know, we just walk one and come up everywhere.
Show them, man. Show them. See that? See that? I'm not chatting.
Everywhere we go, we must walk behind.
A big unit in our body.
Yeah, man. Let me see you what you have in there. Let me see.
Yeah, man.
Tell people what you do with it. Tell people what you do.
EOS. I got a telephone.
Tell people what you do with it.
Yeah, and I got a short one. Simple thing. We'll just take a look at pictures. Right now, I'm actually gonna do a shoot for my niece's baby.
So where people can reach out to get that?
Yeah, as I said, you can reach out to me on my coach's page, Coach Chris at 876.com. On Instagram, my bad. I'm the coach for NCU, that's Northern Caribbean University. Also led the team to the finals last year.
Yeah, man. You mean look at what simple look at my dance.
Yeah, man.
First year. I'll take a step back. They just said it, I'm short.
Yeah, man, you look short for your basketball.
Don't make nobody tell you so your height up. Nothing to do with it.
Yes.
If I want something, people may talk about country life. Country life.
Countryside.
Yeah, and ever blessed where I talk.
Yeah.
As long as you have a dream, people, aspirations and goals, try to attain it. Try to believe in it. Time again, check in, subscribe, like and share. Same thing, yes sir. Bam, bam. Big
Countryside. We love the motivation.
Big motivation.
One love.
You know, so we need to have a walk with him.
Yeah, man.
We can teach you something. You end up on your job.
I know today.
Yeah.
But what? Countryside, we're going to soon again. Them bless. We're done. People like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Let them know it's a good content there, Jamaican, good people there, want to help people. You see, Pre?
Yes.
And at the same time, if you want to make a change, you have to look on it and start with yourself first.
That is it.
So again, one love Jamaica, big up for yourself.
We're going to take on the street like the white line. Let's go, my brother. Let's go.
Right,
my brother.
We'll link.
Yeah, man.
Outside.
Big up on yourself.
Mandeville Festival. I wonder if we can meet him to about 4 or 5 months. A young man like him. We're positive about going forward.
Right.
Good energy.
Yeah,
So my brother, you just walk right into it.
I tell you.
Walk right into the vibe.
I tell you.
We didn't create this one. I just walk into him.
Spontaneous.
Oh!
Spontaneous.
Some of people I get this young man here to walk with me today and teach me some things.
Yeah, man.
Countryside.
Yeah.
Your name Countryside. What else on the country? Yes, a country.
So them call it, town people them call it country. But the reason why I give the channel the name Countryside.
Yeah.
And then I said capturing.
Yeah.
You know, man?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So that's how more country.
Yes.
So that's why I made the channel Countryside.
Yeah. So the inspiration to
That
feed
was me.
people. Where you get that from?
You know what I'm saying?
You grow with your granny?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you grow with your granny?
I grew up with my granny and I grew up with my mother and a good people.
Okay. Okay.
So that comes from the bottom of my heart.
So let me tell you, the main thing that catch me is because I see you feeding people.
Yeah.
And that's a passion of mine. You know? So one of the day, we not go, some of people, we're not going to feed anyone today. We just go just walk through Mandeville and show. Yeah, countryside, I got to show me stuff. No, Princess one pass here. She come out in our protected from the cold. The princess, me never know Mandeville was so cold. Jaja. Me never bless travels. I may walk with Countryside TV.
Yeah, man.
Can you check me out, please? Please?
Can check you out on YouTube, man.
Yeah. Some of people we are walking. We're not going to hold for trouble today, but we just have us whole of vibes in the town.
Really?
And as I did say before, me did tell my people before, so we don't have no plans, you know.
No,
we just a walk
no plan.
and we vibes like how we meet up on the young man that while ago. You see how much energy man of your young man. You know how much young man wasting time when they could have been doing something like that. So we're showing the beauty of this place. Yeah. Going through.
You want to go that way or you want to go?
I don't want to reach that town too quick, but take me to the furthest journey. Because as you know, say, watch him. As you know, say, I'm a walker. And you know, say, I imitate Jamaica walk like. You hear me talk all the time?
Yo, my good walker.
Yo, man can walk. I'm afraid of him.
Yeah, man. Pick up yourself too.
Yeah.
Walk by. Pick up yourself.
So Jamaica walk by, you somebody that shout you out there.
When you're loyal, subscribe. Man.
Yeah, man. You see it, see it.
Really.
Big up yourself, young man. Alright.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah, man. See it. We have a vlog, I know, you know, so you're walking out with camera right now. You walk right tonight, you walk. You want YouTube? Yeah. Check out Ever Blessed Travelers on Countryside TV, man.
That is.
And you see how you're walking out with camera today.
Yeah.
I want to charge you, shouldn't charge you for it, you know. You have money? I'm on the village. I'm on the village. Some Mandeville people rich? Mandeville people rich? Eh?
You want to say something?
So,
You want to say something?
yes. Place nice. Me love Mandeville. Me love the coolness.
Yeah, man. Mandeville is a cool town.
Yes.
Cool.
So right as you reach, me could show them out. Up on the roadside, the banana. Give yourself one big shout out to me. Go near to the banana. Yeah. Give yourself a big shout out.
One Countryside, man.
Yeah.
One Countryside TV on YouTube. So
Yes.
just check out that video.
Yeah.
Man. Positive vibe.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Vision.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So that is it.
I'm going to encourage somebody to say, we don't want, because they say we have vlog against the banana, no pass and cut the people in banana. Alright, make it stay the few person who plant it.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so
right
you
for you, wanna.
on the side of the road, I want if a person who don't plant it try to cut it. Good evening, my princess. How you doing today? You want to say hi to this vlog here? Whoa, Mandeville, Manchester. I Ever Blessed Travels, yeah?
Ever Blessed Travels.
Yeah, the hospital compound big though.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, the hospital compound stop over there.
It stop down the road.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Hospital property stop over there. So
Oh,
you can
yeah.
see the color code different.
Okay, pink.
Yeah, man.
It's in
Yeah,
pink.
Yeah.
So this road is called what?
Caledona.
Caledona Road is very long. Caledona Road come all the way from down. Caledona Road I come from down and the whole road.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Take all the way to Women Area. Yeah,
Oh,
man.
okay,
So
okay.
this is Mandeville Primary and Junior.
Okay, right here.
Over there.
So you're not just a vlogger, you're a tour guide today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I love the place.
Yeah, man.
So I'm just hoping that the vlog that we present to you, my people, today, you enjoy it and you give the video a like.
Yeah.
The like in the video is very important. But a lot of people don't know. The like in the video is very important, you know?
And comment if
Yes. And my people, don't comment just one time.
yeah, man. You like to see comment.
3-4 comment.
Yeah, man.
And when you leave a comment, my people, go back in the comment section and look and see whatever Blessed Travels reply and say.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. For real.
So how him say to you?
I that me I say.
Yes. Alright. That looks nice. Is that another car, man? Yeah. Looks nice. Hi. Oh, I just remember this place now. I just remember this place now. We're outside. That's preaching pastor the melody. Alright. Outside. Josie. Inside the plaza there. The Josie people. Public and digital and yeah. I know this here, man. I just remember that this bank here. One thing was to buy a car one time and a guy was trying to scam me.
Yeah.
So I was supposed to meet him inside of the bank. I was parking down there and I go inside of the bank and the guy inside of the bank. And inside the tire look at me. But because him suspects me heavy, him just forget about it.
Oh.
Him think me heavy when I wasn't. Alright, so this place, nice. So, as you get closer to the town, you can know because you hear the music, them are ring out. Music will go there everywhere. Yeah man. And this road name, Caledona Road continues. Where Caledona Road is finished with?
Yeah.
Okay. So the tour guide is the Caledona Road, done with it. We're outside, Mandeville, Manchester. Countryside TV.
Yes, sir.
Tour guide today. Some of people are going to be asking if you please check out Countryside TV, give me a full support so that him can be able to sustain himself, that him can feed some more people. Yeah man, because you know, without people supporting us, my brother, we ain't going nowhere.
True.
So that is the reason why we always
Wash the other.
yeah, that's the reason why we always come out and say subscribe. But a lot of persons say, oh, they always say like, share and subscribe. But if we're not getting the support of people, then we're not able to sustain ourselves, to feed anyone or to give anyone anything. So as I said today, me just sorry, me not be a part of the feeding team because you know say it's a part of my passion. So we're gonna take on the street, but because our intention is to take on the road and take it out without fear.
Real man.
And if you alone can walk and feed so much
People.
where you get the guts from? If you're such a small body man.
Small but me fit.
Yeah, some people we're going to take on the market area, and you know market area is festive and the place is wet and cold. Stay tuned as we take on Mandeville town. No joke. So we're outside. Mandeville. Wet Mandeville today. Hold on, I wrong but you put in stuff. On the side there. Bargain.
Yeah man. Yeah, I told
Outside.
Yeah man. One Mandeville town.
See that?
Yeah man. Great ever blessed.
Oh, yo, man. What is your name again?
Yeah, approach Park Kingston.
Okay. Two beans. Stringy mango? Jaja.
Yo! Yo, town off.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. I'm familiar with the town, but we mostly drive through them. Yeah. Do a lot of driving through Mandeville. Never get the chance to walk. So this vlog is to the persons who don't get the chance to walk. They always drive through. So we are now right down for them. Countryside TV I take with you. Yeah. Big body. Yeah man, we'll take them on. I take on the road like the white line. Yeah. So this is the bus park. Yeah. The hell me can't find them today. They say what the hell me can't find them today. They say clothes and shoes. Long time. I think me used to travel from the side. I'm not moving to travel from the side.
Yeah, man. Are you too? Yeah, man.
Outside. One artist?
No.
Okay.
No, you have to take your artist.
You want to get a thing a shout out? Alright.
So this is regular car park?
Taxi.
But at the side the cool man. This side I get warm.
Yeah.
Because we have more people this side.
Look, so body.
Yes. I know this side. I think then they back to the side there, you know.
Oh.
Then back to
Reach out to them. You know, link him.
Come on, number for your America.
Yeah, bye.
You sell them shirt.
When you pass.
Thanks a lot. I close them in the market.
Yeah, man, I said,
Yeah.
One juvenile, isn't it?
A juvenile name?
Brandon.
Jaja.
Don't know. Brandon Brands.
Okay.
And Fashions.
Oh, that's the name of your store?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brandon Brands and Fashions.
So, and you easy to find because you just as you finish up
Brandon
with.
Tubbs.
Yes.
We have the 3-9 them.
Okay. I the latest. I the latest.
True believer.
Okay.
True believer.
Yeah.
I know I'm a true believer, that's why I'm here.
Yeah, man.
Until now.
Yeah, man.
It's like we're coming from far.
Yes.
So we just go and do.
And you're here because you believe in yourself.
Yeah, I'm a true believer.
Yeah.
You get me? That is no joke.
Me have
God is the greatest. You get me?
Yes. Me like your words and we are choosing now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know, we have all the health started.
Yeah.
You know, we are endorsing, brother.
Yes.
You know,
We
no
said my
joke.
latest.
Latest.
Yeah.
I know we have the Amir them.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
True
Amir
believer,
them.
man. True believer.
Yeah, man. True believe,
means
man.
that
You have to believe, you know.
I want if I him, I want a man with a slow process is better than no process.
Slow process is better than no process. That is the greatest.
Yo, me like the word.
Do nothing.
Me like the word. Yeah, man.
Believe, man.
Yeah, man. And I mind name that
More
about
like,
travels.
more like.
Countryside TV.
Countryside TV.
Yeah, man.
One countryside.
So you have to check the vlog out and you see the video.
Any other side of darkness.
You see it.
That is
You
one
see,
countryside.
you see it. You see it.
Brandon.
The cool side.
Yeah.
So you take me to the cool side of Mandeville. I
man.
appreciate it, my brother.
Brandon's fashion.
See it. Some people know hear what I'm saying. Yeah, as long as they come in the bus park, enter the arcade, him at the front part because he's a true believer and him continue to brand is him true believers them in different colors.
We rain or fall, we have to. It's all about.
You have to pull down some.
Pull down.
Okay. Yes.
You know the thing go. Full heap of respect. You ever fall?
Yeah, man. What I like to run into couple more vendors like you who believe in promotion.
Yeah, man.
But we no promo, we showcase. Because promotion it have to be paid for.
No joke.
And this one is for fun.
No joke.
We're doing this for fun, my brother. So
Respect.
see this.
Respect. Motivation.
And we are going to show you what
You know?
me people want to look on him. Want to see him up. Yes, want to see him up forward. Timbaland him up
Timbaland.
forward. And Timbaland for photo.
I know, joke.
Jaja.
Brandon.
That means that he must show us. He must say him now they are selling things. They are
Brandon
weird.
fashion.
Jaja. Yeah.
Out here.
So countryside. When we want to go take on some. Oh. The Timbaland are bad. You see this youth?
Yeah, man, right, true.
You see this youth? Yo, the one are bad. Yo, the general outside.
Outside, no joke.
Like that, yeah, man.
One countryside.
So we take a look at them stroll through, my J.
See it here, man.
Yeah, man. Let's check out the page them, man, and see what going on. So we have to time we walk through. Yeah. If you don't want to just show us, you know, we on the showcase people who want to, my brother. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. So we walk through. Inside here is a little bit darkish. So we just walk through Mandeville. Inside there's a crowd. We check so we don't have a whole of a crowd. Yeah. So we just walk through. Yeah, the back there one bad bag and you see the back there. I walk through. We check so inside there would be more busy, meaning that it's Saturday. So that's what say graduation. Oh yeah, and back to school. Yeah. When the back to school time come in, it's gonna be festival. Yes. I might actually rain.
You know, I walk to school, nearer to the walk to school.
Okay. Because we are showcasing. You want to be a part of it? We are YouTubers. You want a part of our vlog? We showcase things that you sell and encourage people to shop. You want to be a part of that? This vlog? Alright, what you can go to?
Alright,
No force. Why come at Marisa?
Where you say go do that? That's Nova, bad Nova, may I ask you. Where you say?
What you guys doing?
Hi, I'm fine, thanks. No, you're not supposed to.
So you have to tell me something, you can shine camera for my friend. I want to you. Oh, go on. Yeah, vlog.
You ever sit my phone to come
You
here?
for the camera?
Of course.
Where you hide? Where you have a warrant for you?
Not really.
You have a warrant for yours? Let me look if I can find. If I can find Mary. Let me see if Mary have, if no warrant out for Mary. For Rose. Where was it? Warrant out for your Rose? Where's your store, Rose? This one? Which one is this? Okay.
When I try to say that man, but I mix a video. Yeah. I show phone everyone does it.
So the business at the town, and that way carry to Newport back Manchester side. Carry back out to Clarendon and the road that yeah. So Mandeville Town. The market here. Festive.
Watch my book. Yo.
Run for the music. Oh, this music is not loud, so we have a chance.
Yeah, not annoying celebrity.
Active outside. We're outside. I'm on the boat. No, mama. Yeah. We'll take on the street.
Boy, bunch of them lost man shots, boy shots. Five hundred ambulance. Blood of 500. Blood
We're outside. You see your camera? You see your camera? Okay. So we are artists? Are you in 500?
500.
So you see yourself all the time?
Yeah, right there, so check right there, so right in front of Super Plus, all the way locked up.
Okay.
Right in front of the bar, right there.
Yeah.
Think bar, 500 labels.
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah.
Man shots and boy shots, tight suit, chest and rump, we sell fast breast and fast body. Yeah man, 500 labels man, I mean them 500 labels. Right at the front of Super Plus, all the way locked up. You understand? Yeah, miss, right at Think bar. 500 labels, we sell fast breast and fast breast body. We sell tight suit, chest and rump, be a bumper lady.
Cha-cha.
Yeah, that's the money, you know?
Just
Real jazz man, you know? Real jazz. Put the camera on him.
Are you my badass song, yeah?
If not a jazz man, him head now, you know, but a real jazz man.
Him not know what?
If not a jazz man, him head now, but a real jazz man. So the girls come check him, you understand? I sell the jazz them.
Oh!
Yeah, real jazz.
They run go for them and come now. Run go for them and come. We are wait for it. We want to see if you are wearing wrong way.
Yeah, man, you know, sell fast breast and fast body.
We're really straight.
Sell woman's stone, you understand?
Alright.
Yeah, man, sell woman's stone.
We're outside of Mandeville. I take on the street like the white line.
Hello, tight to just a rump.
Get a supporter, princess. Get a supporter. We're outside.
Blows at 500.
I'm the princess. Hi. You mind telling me say you're a TikToker? You want to give a shout out? No, I'm a TikToker. So I give a shout out.
5 big blows, tight to just a rump, be a bumper, mother.
Oh, you mean?
500 blood. Man shots, boy shots. Woman shots, blood at 500. 5 big blood. Tight to just a rump, blood at 500.
Ever blessed travel. Ever blessed travel. On Countryside TV. Yeah.
Watch it.
Allah, what that? A wrong place you wear that. Make you woman wear down this.
This is called marketing here. Yeah.
Strategy, you know? Strategy.
You know, busy we are poor.
So which should I brand that you wear? Which should I brand that you wear? Make people serious. In that joke.
That is it.
So what them call you?
Jaws head, panty head.
Lord of
Check TikTok, panty_boss.
Oh, you mean?
That is it.
Ever blessed travelers as well.
Otherwise known as Wani.
One it.
That is it.
Yeah.
With the good clothes them, good jaws them.
Yeah.
That is it.
One Mandeville.
One Mandeville.
So you say Mandeville or you say Galville?
Yeah, living
Yeah.
Hold on. My people, they're going to take it as my duty. So go look for one sign and see if I say Galville mark what. The place name Mandeville. That part of the people in place.
No, but a girl level, you understand? Mandeville, but a girl level. Understand?
We're outside.
You know, when we
have to consider, we take it out here.
We know it's brilliant.
So shout out.
Big up London.
Actually, you know what people don't say I take on the street.
You know, I know, sir, man.
You take on the street. Pick up Zena Vlogs. A Zena Vlog sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a real diver out of Bagua. So she had flat bridge, big diver, lifesaver around there.
Give me out of walk out, man.
Yeah, man. Continue to save your lifetime around there.
Alright, my brother. God
Yes.
bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. Until the government are full time.
But you don't know we say thing and then over and over them not the right thing, so.
But keep shouting out. Government are full time. We don't give them some money and we don't fix the bridge.
Go and big up on yourself, man. Man has all love every time. Yeah, man. It's a word, brother.
Big up yourself, princess. Outside.
And Jamaica walk by, big up yourself anywhere you're in the world.
Oh, you mean?
One Countryside TV.
Alright? One countryside in the world.
Oh, yeah.
And then one love every time. Traveling.
Yeah.
Elevate them.
Ever blessed travels up. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, you mean?
That's the woman who was the mail just for me, that's all.
Cheese and peas.
That one I like.
That's it, man.
What's that?
You don't tell me about to wear pants to them, mommy. You don't tell me about him to wear them. And him not listen to you. So this is the food court mall. So when you go inside, so you have numbers of stores. We'll show people all the stores inside, they're crowded. So you have Countryside TV. We're going to show them all the food. Yeah, what is it? Crowded market area. I've been to this place already. So we're walking to the food court here. Over there. There is Mandeville Hotel. Nice hotel. You can book in and spend weekends. You know, I think they host Rising Star over there one time. I think they host a Rising Star over there one time.
Yeah.
Or in this car park. I don't remember where but they host a Rising Star close by. I was in Mandeville here at the time when they were going to host it.
Yeah.
But it was going to host like the fall.
Something down and
Okay, okay. What's it? Is that sinkhole?
Yeah, man.
Where goes?
Duck and them thing, eh?
Yeah. So all
Big
this.
duck, eh?
So they get to make this, So all this.
Basically, like the business. Alright, it's a backyard. You have to say it's a
Okay.
backyard. Yeah, man.
Wow. So somebody just turn it into a
Yeah.
investment.
Yeah, man.
They're big. Whoa. You see your creations there?
Yeah, man.
And look how them something they grew up on the side there.
Yeah, man.
So so who own this one? Somebody
You know, it's at the supermarket though.
Okay.
Yeah. The super plus I think.
This was just here and somebody just decided to use it up. And this is the car park for all of the people who are shopping anywhere in the town here. Yeah, shop.
Yeah, man, for the mall.
Oh, for the mall here. Okay. This was like a shaka.
Yeah.
You know,
surprise.
yes, something like close to this. They run by the hospital.
Yeah.
Where the water run from everywhere and go there.
Oh. Man, it's like a mini zoo, man.
Yeah, but so how do I fall as a big brother? How do I feed them?
I get good feed, man. I'm fat.
Wow. Yeah. So look at Mandeville Hotel upon improvements. So
Yeah, man.
Renovation.
Renovation are going because, as you can see, look at them lift. Go one floor higher.
Okay.
Yeah, man. The thing I look different.
Yeah. Everywhere in Jamaica, I get them one improve.
Proper infrastructure.
Yeah. So Countryside TV. Give yourself another shout out as we
Yeah,
go.
man. One Countryside TV.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Yes. That's it?
Instagram.
Yeah.
Country_side_TV. Yeah, man. And TikTok, Countryside TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See you, man.
So encourage somebody to check you out, man.
Yeah, man. And check that out.
Yeah, man.
And do the right thing.
Yeah.
And like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And tell a friend to tell a friend about Countryside TV.
Yeah,
man.
Some people, as you know, as we go along, we can't say too much, you know.
Yeah.
I'm inspired by what you do, especially the as me tell us, I'm inspired by the feeding program that you have.
Yeah.
You take the time out and I want to give back to people. So when you give back, do you give back from donations or you do it from pocket? How you start?
Majority of it from pocket.
No, you started out from
Yeah,
pocket.
man, from pocket.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So like for instance, at any point after giving, you feel like you feel like you wouldn't do it again?
No, never have that feeling.
Okay.
Never.
So you happen to run into a lot of grateful people in the
Yeah,
street?
grateful and you're going to meet grateful and you're going to meet ungrateful.
Yeah, some of them just not even want to thanks.
Not even want
So
to
you
thanks.
just brush off that and move on to
Yeah,
the one
man,
that's
you don't make them discouraged.
Okay,
Still
okay.
a push.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
We have that to deal with in a every aspect of what you do.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Some people not even want to say thanks, you know?
Just part of life, you know?
Yes, yes.
And you can't make them think
Good
that.
afternoon, Princess. Hi. 1 minute, please.
Yeah, man, that's me, I say you can't make things like that. Stop it from doing that.
For real, for real.
Yeah,
For real.
a lot of people out there need it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can feel the heat. You
Yeah,
can feel the heat to have come from beneath this area.
man.
So oh wow, the fall and the ducks was. So me still not understand why them so big.
They might get good feed, man.
They're bigger than the regular.
Yeah, man, chicken.
Wow. So maybe there you have it. There you have it. A lot of chickens. And that one, so that's one a peacock.
Yeah, man, a peacock that.
Yeah. And him have chicks too.
Yeah, man, you have chicks.
So you look like it's a wide range of everything they have down
Yeah,
there.
man.
Wow. And enough. So in this area we have. So this kiddie player here is for persons they just randomly just come out they rent them out and all of that. I wonder if we can find somebody to talk with. Oh, them have here where the people carry the kids and they are caregivers.
Yeah, man.
Look at these people are caregivers.
Yeah, yeah.
Outside. Oh, so like somebody come for that and they go shopping and the scare kids gonna left off.
Yeah, and leave them. Yeah, man.
Okay, okay. Outside.
Banco Smart.
Where's your name?
Banco Smart.
Banco Smart.
Yeah, man. Walking
Okay.
now.
Yeah. Okay. 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 All right. So we have the kids that we not record too much of the
Yeah.
hero. The kids we not record the kids, but the hero showcase. So Conscious TV saying name Banco Smart.
Yeah, man. Banco Smart walking now.
Okay. Okay. So when me say like for instance people who come at the market and want to go to the shop, they just let off the kids at it.
Yeah.
That was the reality of it?
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
okay.
And if you want to bring out your kids to enjoy themselves, see, man.
Okay, you do the same thing. So we continue to walk through my people. So for all the persons that are watching thus far and you haven't yet liked the video, it's free. So give the video a like, my people, and let's take another walk and then I'll tell you what to do next. Yeah, man. You too, man. Yo. Give the video a like, man. And the like does a lot for us.
Yeah, man.
And then the honorable one is to subscribe.
Subscribe.
And leave a comment.
And leave a comment.
And when you leave a comment, go back, go look and we'll see where we reply and say. Because we're not going to let you dry.
True, true.
And we're going to also ask you to leave a positive one.
Yeah, no negative.
A very encouraging one.
Yeah, man.
So that we can, when we take up a camera and go out and say we want to make a video, we go out with a lot of vibes and a lot of energy.
True, true.
And go sit and wait the comments. Because the comment them sweet and encouraging.
Yeah, man.
We're outside.
That is it.
Mandeville, Manchester. No joke.
No joke.
Outside. So we keep going. Place is nice.
Yeah, people, so Mandeville Hotel.
Yes.
Big renovation.
Yes, I can see that.
Yeah, man. Property.
Yes.
Look like the North Coast and now ever.
I tell you, man. I tell you, man. So as we go along, my people, I want to take the time out and I want to big up.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, I want to big up Captain Iro. I want to big up Brittany, Chantal, and all the kids of Kent Village. Big up yourselves. I want to big up my granddaughter Mia, Safria Williams. Appreciate you for keep watching my videos. And I'm happy that you are my grandchild. Neil and Jay, pick up yourself, said speed. Yeah, man. Neil and Jay, at time I start to see some comment come from you know. When I left a comment when a big man now, you know, I left some comment now. And my grandfather feel proud. Yeah, man, I'm gonna check out Countryside TV too. And tell him so I have a blessed travel saying. Yeah, man. So at this point, I'm going to encourage all the persons that have been supporting Everbest Travels and make me feel so proud. I want to extend the family to this young man here. See him young and him have a heart where him decide to take on the feeding people. Jaja. So for all the persons who want to donate to his cause, I'm going to ask if my people watch this video, and if you find it necessary, what he might do, subscribe to him, send him a donation that he can feed for more people. So if you feed, how much where most people ever feed at once?
About 12, 30.
Yes. Yeah. So you want to improve it?
Yeah, man.
To like 24?
Yeah, I'm going to give them some cooked food and
okay, so that means that you think you would go in the street and you would choose a restaurant and you would buy food and then issue it out?
Or we can cook it from home.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, some people
and that way then we get more because the thing will stretch.
Yes. But you know, easy to do it some pocket straight out.
Not easy.
Yeah.
Not easy.
Some people, are you monetized?
No, not as
So what you want, watch hours?
Yeah, watch hours.
Some people is lacking enough watch hours. So I'm gonna encourage my people to watch the video from start to finish. Not just this video, but all the video that he upload.
Yeah.
Some people, a lot of people don't know that subscription is free. We are telling you that subscription is free. The only thing they need to have on is internet.
That is it.
And if you have on internet, Wi-Fi, whichever one you have on. Subscription is free. So don't afraid. TV. Don't afraid to hit the subscribe button. Yeah. And if you're watching from your TV, on the remote you press up, skip across to the right.
Right. And do the right thing.
Do the right thing. We're outside. Yeah.
Some nice style.
Yeah. So they are selling fruits here.
Yeah.
Nice fruits. So we're buying anything?
No, buying nothing.
Okay. All right. Let's move along. But Mr. She a duck. Mr. She a duck for our warrant. One warrant out here. One warrant out here. Mr. You a duck for the camera. You want to give yourself a shout out on the page? No. You know
so that's business a shout out.
You want to give business a shout out? Encourage people to shop here and get to grab some of them nice fruit here. Oh, them have the camera? Yeah. So they have thing here, they package them out so they make it easy, and them have what? Cane? Wow, already cane, so they just bag them out so you can just eat them right away.
Nice fresh fruit.
Yes. But so many still have them have sweet sap.
Sweet sap, yeah.
I'm just show where these people are. They don't give me permission to people may I do it because as I say, I show love.
Papa, orange.
Yes.
Here.
Alright, princess. Check out Everbest Travels, eh? The princess is not smile from stop saying. I see you serious all the time, baby love. Cha-cha. Yes, right. My day is so sweet. So sweet. We're outside. Hot dog? Hot dog and ice cream?
Ice cream, sir.
I wonder if any of them princesses can buy me an ice cream. Yeah, me a vlog. I wish I know can buy me ice cream.
My bro.
You're not talking truth. Your mother gave one whole heap of money to come out.
Nah, my bro, true.
How you give money? Your mother or your father gave money?
Nobody.
When you give money, you work?
Yeah, work free.
You want to say hi to my vlog? You want to say hi to my vlog? My name is Everbest Travels. Show everybody how you eat ice cream on Mandeville.
Hi.
I wish I know to buy me ice cream. I wish I know no mother. Which one I know mother? She,
She's my mom.
She,
What flavor do you want again?
Wow. Your kids? Just this one? So what become the one you have?
I have 4.
4? Okay, that means me just say something but me can't say it again. Where your mom?
She's not there.
What's gonna go? So how can I want to come buy ice cream?
My mom and
Okay.
So like you're not from Jamaica?
I'm not from America.
Okay. Say hi to. You will your family in America. Where you leave from? Come here. I look for you. You know.
No, not all my family is in America. I have family in Jamaica, so that's why we came there.
Yeah. All
Like
right.
this one, yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica. I just hoping that you're enjoying yourself.
So you're enjoying the holiday?
Yeah.
Good. The only problem is my skin is breaking out from the sun.
Oh. You have to be, Mandeville School, you have to stay at Mandeville. Might be from a different parish.
This is Countryside TV and this is Everbest Country.
So check out the channel, right?
You can check us out on YouTube.
Yes. And we do clean vlog. We're not cost better than we know.
Yes, property.
Yeah, properly.
What's the name of you guys?
Everblessed Travels.
Everblessed?
Travels.
I think I see
Yeah,
it.
if you want to buy
You see it already. He's saying that he has already seen, but I bet your name subscribe. You forgot.
You know what?
Take another look again.
No man, me only watch the video there, but me not subscribe to nothing.
It's free, you know?
No.
It's free,
No
man.
man, but me no.
Just touch the subscribe button, man.
I really have the time for that.
Jeez and peace.
Me have the time for watching, but me have the
Jeez
time
and
to touch
peace. You know how much thousands of people saying the same thing.
We give on a quality content.
Yeah.
No, me not say nothing, me not say nothing. Me watching the thing.
Yeah, man, it's subscription free, man. Just touch the button, man, and go along.
She has sponsor with ice cream.
She wanna. Should I go on my knees?
But you guys are going with yourself, man.
Yeah,
So let me show. My people, we're just here vlogging, and this princess here saying that she's gonna buy us ice cream. And guess what? I was talking my way through to see if
Go ahead, another ice cream.
So, this princess want to sponsor Everbest Travelers ice cream. I'm want rum and raisin.
Them not have none, man.
Cheese and peace. Yeah. So all the people that have problem with rum and raisin. You didn't know that, princess?
No.
Oh, you
Well,
didn't know.
guys, I need my screen time.
Cheese and cheese and. What is screen time?
What's that?
Burger Queen. I have the spotlight in the camera for a very long time. Screen time.
I don't think I get exactly what she's saying.
Yeah.
Who can help me here?
Yeah. Sir, you there in the spotlight, yeah, get everything for yourself, and somebody just come in, just push your way and say, my turn now.
Okay. So she's saying, hey, take too long for you. So what we go? What flavor ice cream should I?
How much you do? What kind of ice cream the man might eat?
Rum and raisin me with that.
No, them not no man
This one.
rich. Them are good
The
for
orange-
man.
Yeah, give me one of them one. Let's see them one.
Alright,
So I want her to choose my ice cream. What flavor should I? Order my flavor.
which one you okay?
Order it.
Yeah, the orange and yellow one with the pink one.
Okay, I'll have that one. Awesome.
Alright.
I know say you
So here we are. Our subscribers is sponsoring us ice cream, and it is served to Everbest Travels by. And who serve you your one? You, sir? You serve.
And you are?
Kira, hi.
Sometimes when you want trouble,
All right. So show your TikTok page. Ask person to subscribe to you.
Go follow Just Kira on TikTok.
All right. And you?
Wait.
And you?
And to Mimi Queen 345. It will show up with Mimi and food on the side because I'm hungry.
Countryside. She's awesome.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, Diego.
Kamaya, you could never.
She's happy. And this is our sponsor today.
Yeah.
So she's saying that we boast that we support persons, and she's saying she's flipping the kind on us today. So you and you are flip the kind on us and buy us ice cream.
everything blessed, man.
And that's my name, my brother.
All right.
Everbest Travels.
No, sir, no.
We're outside. We're gonna eat ice cream now, so camera will turn off.
Yeah. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
What's the name?
He ate. He's eating.
Consuming ice
No,
cream.
it's not.
He don't eat.
And the camera,
Consuming the ice cream.
and the person that is recording is the person that served me the ice cream. And the person that sponsored the ice cream is. He said she.
Lovely support.
Yeah. I'm feeling proud
Big up
of
again.
myself. And thank you, Sam.
Thanks
Of
all.
yourself.
Yeah, man. That is it.
Is it good?
Right, man.
Nice choice.
could never go on
If it was up to me, I would have had a rum and raisin.
See, Kamaya could never be on TV. Kamaya could never be holding the camera. Kamaya, period, clock it.
Good work, great work.
Yeah.
Kamaya could never do any of that.
Nice.
Mommy called
So our
Kamaya.
sponsors.
I like you too, and you're
Wow.
not.
She's awesome, don't she?
Yeah. Very, very awesome.
Thank you so much, my family.
You're welcome.
So this, for my people, this is my grandkids. Here is my good family. The extended family of my. Hey, my grandfather. I wanna laugh. My grandfather.
There you are.
Yeah, I'm telling them. Yeah. Not one, but 7. No, 8 of them.
Yeah?
Yeah, 8 of them. So my new granddaughter, yeah. That's the one next time. Check out them TikTok page, my people. Give them full support and tell them that ever blessed
Oh,
family.
guys, well. And Instagram.
Yeah, she's awesome, don't she?
Too cool.
Wanna see that?
This is where our ice cream was. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Frozen treats, baby.
Yeah.
So if you're there, Bankhouse, man, parking
Yes.
lot, yeah, man.
Yes, this is Elko place.
Forward. Frozen treats, you see
And
that?
I want to see where I want to see how me frazzle on my ice cream. And this was the princess that served us well. Good customer service. She was very patient
Yeah.
while serving. Your boss must be proud of her. Are you the boss of this place?
No, I'm not.
Your boss must have proud of me. I look forward to a razor pay. So when you get a razor pay, please call Everbless Travels and tell him say, me get raise comfy so. That's what countryside. Yeah, man. Nice clean place. See, we make a good stop. Nice
Yeah, man,
stop.
clean.
And
People, look at that. Clean.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
No dirt, people.
Yeah. So big up yourself, Princess. Big up your socials. And you know, so you have the TikTok and your Instagram and your right. You forgot them?
No.
Ask somebody to follow you, man.
Ask somebody. Oh, you can all follow me at Queen Anla on TikTok.
Queen what?
Anla.
Queen Unlock. So because some people we might just not hear it.
Yeah.
Queen Unlock.
It's Queen Anla on TikTok.
So what's your unlock? What's your unlock? Don't follow me. Me have to be advised wherever me going.
Yeah.
So right here, my people, she cut up coconut. What are you going to do with these coconuts?
It's because this is a part of the restaurant that's under the food court.
Oh, what you
So
sell? What you sell?
They sell, they call them organic food
Okay.
as well as Jamaican cuisine.
Okay, so this here is just a little outlet.
Right.
Wow, and you run it off. And you run it off better than everybody else.
I hope so.
As me, I tell you, you don't see that? You don't see a customer service.
Unique.
Yeah, and she cut up one whole heap of coconut. Yeah, countryside, you want to go over here, pan?
Yeah, man, we can do that.
No, they must say we want. They must ask for food and Glasburg. We can do it. So what you use all those machines to do?
Popcorn, soft serve, and I use this for the mixtures like the
Okay.
beans and
Yes.
cheese and so forth.
Nice.
And we do snow cones.
Okay.
As well as milkshake. And,
You have water inside there?
yeah.
Well, I have to get a water. You want water, brother?
Yeah, man.
So we need 2 water. And nobody has sponsor. We have to buy that water. We pack. In the town of Mandeville. Check out.
You know I want to I got money, hear that?
Yes.
We're outside, hear
Yes.
that? Subscribe to the G channel, you know.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe to I got channel. Friend, I got live in one food place, so
Yes. So was
big bad channel.
yeah. So what's wrong with Mandeville?
Girl live, fix it. What wrong with it? What do you mean?
Yeah, because me make a whole nice pan people when they keep on us again the girl level when me know some Mandeville.
Oh, because you can't hear man, because most of them there.
I saw you go.
It's called girl live, you know.
So as me say, me watch man all the while, and me watch man with the prank them with your brother and
Yeah,
all and thing there,
man.
and thing, and for the longest while.
Yeah.
And I subscribed to
Yeah,
him,
camera to you know.
but I didn't know. So you,
man.
brother, record your pre-image.
Yeah, no, but right now something because I don't want it to get issues.
So you have a place in Mandeville here where sell.
Right, you know, so them repair and stuff.
Oh, they do repair, sir?
Yeah, because mine did have
Oh, because I have a history with mine right here. The power button at the side.
First do yes,
I'm gonna check it out. So shout out yourself to me, G.
Yeah, no.
Simon TV.
You know, check out my channel,
Yeah.
Simon TV, you see
Yes,
me?
yes.
Yeah man, but check out me because I have a whole heap of video and things.
Yeah, man. I didn't know that you guys did YouTube. I want to see one of the prank with client. Them,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
Some people.
That's man, I know you go.
I said, I see how Mandeville, a girl do it for him, and a Mandeville for me. So, I'm not going to beat me in here. Because me, I look on the sign there. Oh, you mean? Just see.
Oh, now one team.
Yeah, we just...
How are you the it?
We did a river park and everything, a showcase the countryside.
Yes.
Countryside TV. Holland.
Why if I link up then, man? I be YouTube and YouTube are going.
Yeah. We can set the link that we'll come back later on.
Yeah, you must say, man, one girl, you know, think of one countryside TV, you know, big up yourself.
That is it, man.
Right up on the ground and represent. Actually, big bad, what they do yourself?
Ice cream, man.
Ice cream.
Yeah, me that had a Roman race, I'm gonna get some of these one of the nice one.
Check it out.
Yeah, man.
You know, think of.
See him, sir.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. So, you go see the comments, Jimmy G.
No, I'm going to take on Instagram.
Yeah, man.
We can make two flick, man.
Yeah, man. And then we just arrange another thing where we just walk the street and walk the street and behave bad.
Yeah, man, 2 hours walk.
We walk the street and make up all the nice one of the.
No, we don't walk street.
One of do.
Bro, with the
A pranking on
the prank, but the most of flat.
Okay.
I come thing with you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
As I said before, true. I watch you all the time, but I didn't know that you have a channel and him have a channel. Me just think, just come on and send up with blood pressure.
Oh, now all of you YouTube, man.
Outside. Some of my brother. I want to watch the other.
I go over in the gram. Out, no, once you type into iGod.
Yeah. Yes.
Don't know your platform.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Shut up, my shit says it, but me definitely pay attention to YouTube.
Alright, drop
see?
Some content.
Oh, you mean, my brother? We will arrange it.
Alright.
Some people in the street of Mandeville for me and Galdeville for them.
Yeah, this Mandeville.
When I go see some, hey, me say, when I go beat me, when I go see some more link up my people, so outside.
I'm going to tell you this.
Call them, make see how bad the noise, how tough the noise if I want the prank, I can't prank. Yeah, I want to see what I go.
Bro, what the hell you set to face?
Jeez and peace.
To see if your lyrics still sharp.
No, you see, sometimes uno young and can get hold of a beat. And see, you tell me say you're G. Big up yourself, yeah, outside. Big bro. How many people try to catch you? So here I have my people that's the Mandeville Park. Wow. So we're gonna take a look at look at close? Wow. Nice place. So can we go on the inside there? Okay. So early? That this not the entrance.
Yeah.
That maybe not the entrance.
Entrance.
Okay. closed gate.
Yeah.
So that was unfortunate of us. We missed the entrance to the and it's closed.
You would care about downtown.
Oh, and reach it. Mandeville Park. And welcome the opposite. Hey Princess, how you doing? As a YouTuber, what you can't think about Mandeville? Anything? No, you can't tell me. I want somebody to tell me something about Mandeville. Yeah. Want to run away from the music?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rough go.
I'm get on the road with my ear. Get told me that.
Say a lot. What?
Not food, no time. Three
How you doing, Princess? Where are you super today? Where are you super today? You want to get stuff on the back? Oh, you know what I go? I just the music you want to hear. Let's start funny man to make people hear you.
No, and them see that listen.
This is what she says. I hear music. Whoa, yeah, G, ha, let, so. Make up your mic and DJs. Oh, you're bad like that. Want to see how she stay? Oh, you me.
Over here to the right over here. My body get to breathe. Right now we have to body, we have to be. You follow good right now, we need to breathe. Over here, people.
Get outside.
1, 2, 5, 1, 4, chop them along.
All right. You're talking loud. Don't lie. Everybody's supposed to hear her. And she fat too. She promote. What's it on? What's it? Say, hey, skin fat. See you. I want the front end to go on. I Sanchez. Muffy. Princess, step on this and make everybody see you. Oh, so Mr. Nova. Yeah, but we're going to take somebody come back. Oh, you mean, my people. When the vibes, she deserves to be supported, huh? We outside like the white flag. Going to side. Yeah. The princess. She wants all of the support. All right. So to Instagram and all that. Eh? You don't live on Mandeville? You don't know nothing about Mandeville?
So where you come from?
Female of Mandeville come out. You know, Saturday evening. Whoa, inside!
Take on the ladies.
One of them, I got the way there. Hi. Hey, Mandeville! Loud! Round! You ever see Mandeville round? I remember them saying, look, you want my glass? Me? You want my glass? We see Mandeville round. Every time you turn around, it's just roundness. The beauty dash out down here. I wonder what you doing are cool. Alright. So where you do on social? TikTok or what? Where you do? You're not doing none of them. So this side is called Mandeville Plaza. Yeah. Mandeville Plaza for you, my people. Just walking through. So Countryside TV is patrolling me through. If I was walking by myself, maybe I wouldn't come this spot ground. But he's well familiar with this area. So we're going through. What's the name of this street? Huh? Hi, Princess. Good afternoon. So if you come out like this, it must be your birthday. What are you celebrating?
Nothing.
You're not celebrating nothing? You want to shout out the Instagram on this channel here?
Sue_her.
Chaja. Let me confess something else to you. You're one of the bravest I've talked to in Mandeville here. Everybody else is busy. Don't want to give yourself a shout out. Thank you so much.
Alright, have a good day.
Okay, cool. We're outside. We're outside of Mandeville in the cool evening. And we should have had earlier on. I didn't want a jacket. So I was cool because of I'm thinking it might be because the rain was falling then, you know, and then it just come down nice and easy. I'm feeling like I want to move and live at Mandeville. Yeah, and somebody I gonna say everywhere, every different place they go, every place they want to live there. But it's the experience of the day, you know. Yeah. So we're take on the street. And what's the street name again? Name again? Perk. Okay. So my tour guide, Countryside TV, I give me the tour of Mandeville. And we're walking through them. Yeah, man. Proudly. And we take on the street and we take it on without fear, huh? You fear anything while walking? No. Alright, so that means we take it on without fear. I mean, one more thing to tell you. We'll take on the street like the white line. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Countryside TV stuff, big up yourself.
Big up. Jamaica walk by.
You see. You know me heavy friend when named Naomi J.
Yeah man,
she named
Naomi man. Naomi comment for almost every content to me.
I think I send Naomi to you.
For real.
Yeah man.
Big up yourself, Naomi.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Look, let me go give you one correction. The lady no name Naomi. She named Naomi Sturdy. Naomi J, sexy sturdy ass. Correctly. Deal with it. Call out my friend full name.
Naomi J, sexy sturdy ass.
Oh, you mean? So Naomi, me have to drill him out. Right. because me don't want to give your name halfway. Princess man, you get killed in a Mandeville. Run across the street, you must walk across. So what over this?
Carman.
Oh, Carman.
Yeah, man. You know what's like Carman capital?
Yeah, man. Mandeville are the capital for Carman, for real. Yeah, man. You see cars for sale everywhere you turn. And that's the mega mart up there?
Over there.
Whoa, that's a long walk.
Yeah, man.
You take me for a long walk like how Jamaica walk by take it out.
High School, you know?
Oh, Manchester High School. I saw that. Oh. Whoa, so where them play field is that?
Play field is more central.
Yeah.
In the school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Outside. And at the evening, later was at the evening. Yeah. And as we say, we are taking on the road and we are taking it on without fear. No joke.
Subscribe to YouTube channel.
Okay.
Home of champion.
Oh, you mean? I didn't know. I wanted to know the front part, the other side. This is
the
the
other side around to the arcade.
So this is the front gate?
Oh,
that means I don't know this one then?
Yeah. No, boy, that time I say you know when it stop like that. Remember, I know. Did I tell you say no? When it's
No,
outside?
I know the other side. Where's Hilltop? Up on the other side.
Yeah.
And that the side me know.
Okay.
Not this side.
Yeah.
Me know where the Hilltop Hotel used to be.
Yeah.
So this year now, for them catchment where all of the water run go.
Yeah, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, it's up here.
No man, like for instance, water from the road and water from the property run come here. Right. They had this. I noticed they have a lot of these. Just like where we're coming from, where the ducks and all that.
Yeah.
It's like a catchment center where the water run from the road everywhere go there.
Yeah, man.
So when whole rainfall, whole heap of water cycle out these places.
Yeah.
Okay. No, hold on there. Check across. So just giving a little night view as to what Mandeville town is like in the night. So we walk in the street from morning and now there you go my people. The night view. We're outside like the white line. Here you have it my people. My traveling family. It has been a long day. A wonderful one. A cool one. It couldn't have been any better. And I've journeyed and travel and do this vlog for you my people. Mandeville, Manchester, and today's collab was between Everblessed Travels and Countryside TV. Countryside TV.
That is it.
It was a pleasure having you on my channel today.
Yeah, man.
And we're gonna say it's just the beginning of it. We're gonna
have great things.
Yes, we're gonna continue to share our love with people. We're gonna continue to do charities.
Yeah, man.
So it's Countryside TV. Tell me why you decided to link up with Everblessed Travels.
Everblessed Travels.
Yeah.
Positive energy.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Energy is right.
Yes.
Yeah, man. The content's great.
Yes.
Great content.
Yes.
Everblessed Travels always a showcase some beautiful place.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Some hidden gems about Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I tell you, one of a kind, uniqueness.
And you also reveal that the very first phone call that you make to me, I respond and
yeah,
I say, okay, let's go.
I respect that.
Yes. Some of people.
Yeah, man.
It is a positive vibe going forward, peace, love and unity. And my people want to ask of you that if you want to be a part of this team,
yeah,
join us from the heart. Let's show some love. Let's spread some love amongst each other.
Yeah, man.
And Countryside TV, you have been doing a lot of charities, and I'm going to be asking a few of my people to go across this page, check him out. If you want to be a part of his charity cause, I'm going to be asking a few to check him out. Meet you halfway, because I also understand that majority of the charity that you do it from your pocket.
Yeah, man.
And if you do it from your pocket, I mean you do it from your heart. So my people, there you have it. Countryside TV, Everblessed Travels link up today. Peace, love and unity. And today we are saying we are outside.
Yeah, man. Bless.
Without fear.
Out here.
And see you in the next video.
That is it.
Outside.